Right, I'm Sean, and this is my Ford Transit. I've converted it from a builder's van into a camper van for just £700. Join me and my adventures and vlogs with Project Camper and enjoy the video. Hi everyone, how's it going? Tonight I am quite far away from home and I'm doing another stealth camp. Now I've been here a while. There you go. That's the front windscreen. You can't really see anything now because I've put a what's it called? Well, I went to Lidl's and I bought one of those £2.99 screen things. I've cut it up and yeah, I've made it fit a transit van. Right, I am actually stealth camping at quite. Oh my god! Look at my TV. It's hanging off. I'll have to look at that later. Oh, and I've got that Wi-Fi. Oh. Gutted. Anyway. Digress. Sorry. Yeah, I am somewhere in... I'm at Newlands corner. Surry Hills. Motorbike haven. Been here loads of times on a bike. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to come up here in the van. So, went to Tesco's. Got some beers. And tonight, I'm outside. I've got a bit of a fire on. I know it's not stealth camping, having a fire, but you need to keep warm. And I'm really sorry. I've got to sort this TV out. I've got to sort it out. Hang on a minute. I'll be back in a second. Okay, sorry about that. TV is now sorted. All back. All sorted. Anyway, let's go outside. First of all, oh, you can hear all these people on these little motorbikes. I got these little 125 type things, you know, like blah, 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 blah. I'm just like, oh, let's just do your head in. Right, hang on a second. Let's put you somewhere. Is it going to stick there? Oh, it's going to slide down. Hello? Hello? Didn't stick, did it? Right. I think the phone might be upside down now. It looks like it's upside down. I'll sort it out. But how's it all going? It's the first day out of sort of lockdown. You can go to the pub garden, have a few beers with your mates. Isn't that exciting? I know I'm super excited about that. Doesn't matter though, does it? Because I got out of my fridge. Do you know what? I don't even know what the time is. 9:41. It's quite toasty in the van tonight actually. Even though I'm out in the middle of the hills. Anyway, let's go and enjoy the fire. Doesn't look much, but it is super nice and toasty and warm. I know you can't see me, but looking at the stars are just like phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. I'll see if I can get the AOE camera out later and film the stars. I have some sausages and my ridge monkey. Right, I'll put you up there. You are actually on top of the Fire Angel carbon monoxide tester. So you can see my ridge monkey here. And now I'm going to turn the old, oh here we go, oh, get a bit of heat on. Get my little knife out. These commando style knives aren't that great for like getting into. Oh yeah, they may be okay. Wow, my Shoreline fridge freezer can definitely freeze anything. Oh no. Right, there it goes. Oh. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm just chopping up sausages, just chucking them on. Look at that ice. That is a proper fridge freezer. Shoreline fridge freezers. Link in the description below. I think I've snapped my todger. Right. Oh, what a mess. They're proper frozen, these sausages. Right. Put them back in the freezer. Look at that, look. Proper ice. Oh. Right. I did have a cloth around here somewhere. I can't remember what I did with it. Oh. That's what men do. Do you remember you were at school, you just went, you had a little white line, and your mum and dad always knew you. You used to sniff your or snot on your arms. We're not at school now. Right. Survival knife back. Good for the amount of ridge monkeys. You don't really need any oil or anything like that, do you? Oh. Oh, it smells lovely. Well, I'm going to put a little bit of oil though. You've got to put a bit of oil with it. Well, I'm going to. There you go. Just a tad. Just a very, just a little diddy bit. Just a little diddy bit. You've got to love a ridge monkey. Now, sausages on their own with a bit of ketchup, or some kind of additives. Bit of seasoning. No. No, I just want my sausages the way they should be. Ooh. Right. Let's see what they look like in a little bit. Good morning, everybody. How's it going? I absolutely slept like a log last night. So beautiful here. This is one of the trails that you can walk in. Behind me is a big wood, and down there's just a little road really, so you might hear some traffic. But what a lovely place. Really is. Brilliant to take dogs for a walk, push bike rides, or mountain biking as they call it now, don't they? Yeah, and look at all that little forest. Dogs would love it going in there. Or just getting, just remembering where you parked your van. Well, you don't need to, I suppose. You can GPS it, can't you? And just go for a wander. Now we're allowed. So I'm going to carry on walking, listening to the birds sing, and having a lovely day. So catch up with you in a little bit. Listen to those birds singing. Love it. I've just put the clip that I've just put in with a bit of music. Okay, it's in a field over there. You go over a brow of a hill and you can see London. Now it is pretty spectacular because you don't realise how hilly London is when you look at it from afar. You can see the arch. I think is it Wembley Stadium? I'm not into football, so I might be wrong. You can see the big triangle a bit further round. You can see the big triangle, is it the Shard or something like that? The glass building on the, is it Docklands? I think it's Docklands, yeah. I'll see if I can find a picture and put it in. But when you look at standing still and look at places, you just think how big England is really. And then obviously on a trip that I went to Wales, North Wales and Snowdon, it's just phenomenal. England is absolutely a special place, and it absolutely, without getting political, it breaks my heart that what's happening and the way we're all being ruled, apparently for our own good. It's just ridiculous. We all know what's right and wrong. We don't need politicians to tell us that. You know, simple things like put your rubbish in a dustbin. We know what to do, and it's just a silly minority that spoil it for the rest. And that's where the politicians get their ammunition. Look at this, look. In the middle of nowhere. An ancient stone flint wall. Wow. Wonder who built that and how old it is. Must be quite old, look, because it's got little holes. There, look. For rodents or stuff. Or water, because this is quite steep. But what I have noticed today, and hopefully this video is not going to go on too long, I haven't seen not one poo bag that a dog has managed to put up on a tree. Clever dogs, aren't they? Even my dog doesn't even do that. I have to pick it up and I take it home. Anyway, this old brick wall, Amazing. Anyway, I'm going to head back to the van now and make myself a cup of tea, and hopefully I'll be joined by a friend later. But in the meantime, this is what I like doing. Going in a forest, it's getting lost. It's really strange actually, because you can see where the animals make their tracks. Obviously I can't see it at the moment, but you can pick them up. They are very faint. Oh, this one over here. Yeah, there you go, look. One over here, look. Oh, a bit prickly. There you go, I'll turn the camera around to it. So, it goes all the way along here. All the way along there. And this is where the animals at night walk. There you go, look. A little fork here, look. One goes that way, one goes this way. So when you hear things go bump in the night in the wood, it's like the hogs or the deers rummaging around. You can see where they've been rubbing. Look, all underneath here. It's all gone, all the moss. The moss is on the top, nothing underneath. That's where they've been rubbing against the trees. So I'm going to carry on. So here you can see where they've actually, they catch their feet trying to step over it. See, going off in this direction. Pretty cool, eh? Obviously they step over this, going through this direction, and around. So I come out of there, all the way along here, and you can see there's a faint track. And this is probably the horse's highway. Coming through here, you can see like horse hooves. Just so nice to get outside. And in fact, the field that I've just been in, there you go, back to the human superhighway. I'm going to get lost in the woods. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you've enjoyed it. Oh wow, there you go, look. Some little homestead, some little farm. Got some geese over there. What a lovely place to live. Peace and quiet. Oh wow. Anyway, thank you to all the subscribers. Love you all. 1,180 of you now. I'm absolutely blown away by how many people actually watch the videos and watch me rabbiting on. So thank you to all. So if you are and do enjoy my content, please click and subscribe. See ya. Bye.